Hello friends, welcome to the student presentation week 2025. Myself Anuj Datir, student of Patil Institute of Pharmacy, Talegaon SP District, Wardha. I am the student of B Pharmacy 5th semester and today we are discussing about the pharmacognostic study of opium. So let's get started. Contents: Introduction, synonyms, biological sources, geographical sources, collection, characteristics, chemical constituents, identification, uses, marketed products. So first is introduction. Opium is the powerful narcotic drug that is obtained from the dried latex of the opium poppy plant. It has been used for thousands of years for its pain-relieving and sedative properties. The main active components of opium include morphine, codeine, and theanine, substances that affect the central nervous system. Historically, opium played a major role in trade medicines and even conflicts such as opium wars between Britain and China. While it has medicinal uses, particularly in pain management, opium is also high active and is the source of illegal drugs like heroin. Because of its potential for abuse, opium and its derivatives are now strictly regulated worldwide. Then synonyms. Here are the 5 synonyms, that is opiate, morphine, codeine, laudanum, and narcotic. Biological sources are dried latex obtained from the unripped seeds capsule of the opium poppy. Botanical name Papaver somniferum. Family Papaver. Parts use dried latex, also called as opium latex or raw opium, for the unripped seed capsule. Origin: native to region of Western Asia and Southern Eastern Europe, now cultivated in countries like Afghanistan, India, Turkey, and Myanmar. Then geographical sources: Afghanistan, world's largest opium producer. Second, Myanmar, major producer in Southern Asia. India, legal production for medicine use for the Laos and Thailand, part of the Golden Triangle region. 5, Mexico and Colombia, emerging illicit sources of heroin trade. Then collection. First is increasing the poppy capsule. After flowering, unripped seed capsule of the Papaver somniferum plant are lightly sliced using special knife. This is done in evening when the temperature helps latex exudation. Second, latex oozing out. A milky white latex, raw opium, oozes from the cut and dries overnight on the surface of the capsule. Third is scraping the dried latex. The next morning, the dried latex is carefully scraped off with a blunt tool or knife. Fourth is collection and storage. The collected raw opium is kneaded and shaped into ball or cakes. It is then stored or processed for medicine or illicit use depending on the region and laws. Then characteristics are chemical composition, contain alkaloids such as morphine, most abundant and potent, that is codeine, theanine, papaverine, noscapine. These compounds are opioids meaning they act on the brain's opioid receptor to produce pain relief and euphoria. Physical characteristics. Appearance. Opium appears as a sticky yellowish residue that dries into a solid, sometimes reddish brown material. Sources. It is harvested from the immature unripe seed capsule fruits of the opium poppy plant Paper somniferum. Then chemical constituents. The main chemical constituents of opium include first morphine. Morphine has a rigid pentacyclic 5-ring structure based on morphine skeleton, which contain multiple key functional groups that enable its potent pain relieving effect. This complex three-dimensional arrangement is critical for its ability to bind to and activate opioid receptor in the brain. Second is codeine. Codeine acts as a painkiller and anti-tissue, means cough suppressant, and its name derives from the Greek word for poppy head. Third is noscapine. Noscapine, also known as narcotic. Unlike other well-known opium alkaloids like morphine, noscapine is not a narcotic, lacks sedatives and analgesic, means pain relieving properties, and is not addictive. Fourth is piperine. Piperine is an alkaloid found in opium, but its structure and pharmacological effect are distinct from the classic opioid narcotics like morphine and codeine. Instead of being a narcotic analgesic, piperine is a vasodilator and antiplasmodic, meaning it relaxes smooth muscles. Fifth is thebaine. Thebaine is a naturally occurring alkaloid found in opium poppies, though only in small concentration, while it is chemically similar to the opioid morphine and codeine. Its effects are primarily stimulating rather than depressant, and it is highly toxic. For this reason, thebaine is not used directly as a therapeutic drug. Then identification. First is physical method. Dark brown to black sticky mass, strong characteristic odor, soft film, fresh hardness over time. Second, chemical method. Mercury's test. Purple color, morphine, codeine. Ferric chloride test. Red color, meconic acid test. Deep red color with FeCl3 confirms opium. Third, instrumental method. TLC, HPLC detect alkaloids, morphine, codeine, etc. GCMS, precise identification of opium alkaloid, UV-Vis IR spectroscopy, confirms preservance via spectral analysis. Then uses. Uses are pain relief, use as analgesic, contains morphine, cough suppression, codeine in opium reduce coughing, diarrhea treatment, use in antidiarrheal medicine, sedatives, calms the nervous system, raw material for producing alkaloids like morphine, codeine, thebaine. Traditional medicines used in some Ayurvedic and Unani preparation with regulations. Then marketed products there are various marketed products like perfume, fragrance oil, MS-Cotin, Kadian and Roxanol. Then acknowledgement. I express my heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Nilesh Banarase sir, our estimated guide, for his continuous support, motivation and valuable guidance. I am thankful to respected principal sir, director sir, all the faculty members and non-teaching staff for their encouragement and assistance. Special thanks for my friends and classmates for their cooperation and moral support. Thank you.